Hello, and welcome to English Global Voice, the podcast that helps you learn English in a fun and easy way. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Today we have a fantastic topic. We're going to talk about how to move from simple textbook English to speaking in a more natural, smooth way. The episode is called How to Sound More Natural in English.
That's right. Many of you can read and write well, but speaking fluently can be difficult. You might think, my grammar is good, but I don't sound like a native speaker. Well, today we will give you some easy tips.
Absolutely. We'll keep it simple and practical. So get ready to learn and have fun. A more natural way could be, I really like pizza. Or, my favorite food is probably pizza. See? It sounds more like a conversation.
Exactly. Another important group is connectors. These are words that link your ideas. Instead of saying many short sentences, you can connect them.
Simple connectors are and, but, so, because, then. Let's practice. Anna, what did you do last weekend?
The robot will says, I went to the park. I met my friend. We drank coffee. We talked for 2 hours. Correct, but not very fluid.
Right. Now let's try with connectors. Last weekend, I went to the park and met my friend. So we drank coffee and talked for 2 hours because we had a lot to discuss. Much better.
So our first tip is use little words like well and so and connectors like and because to make your speech smoother.
Ready, Anna?
Ready.
Okay, listeners, just listen first.
Hey, Ben, what are your plans for this evening?
Well, I'm not sure. I'm pretty tired, so I might just stay home and watch a movie. How about you?
Oh, I think I'll go out for dinner with some friends. Maybe to that new Italian restaurant.
Oh, nice. Let me know if it's good. Anyway, I should probably go. Talk to you later.
Sure. Have a good evening.
Okay, let's look at the natural parts. Ben started with, well, I'm not sure. This is much more natural than just saying, I am not sure.
And I said, I'm pretty tired. Instead of very tired, pretty is a very common and casual word.
Then I used so to connect the idea, so I might just stay home and watch a movie.
Another great phrase was, how about you? It's the perfect, simple way to ask the same question back. And I used, I think I'll blah blah, which is more natural than I will.
And to finish the conversation, I said, anyway, I should probably go. Anyway is a great word to change the topic or to end a conversation. Probably is another soft, natural word.
Let's practice these phrases together. Repeat after us. Well, I'm not sure.
I'm pretty tired. How about you?
I think I'll blah blah.
Anyway, I should probably go. Okay, that was great practice. Now for your challenge this week. We want you to try one new thing.
When someone asks you, how are you, try not to just say, I'm fine, thank you. Try a more natural answer like, pretty good, thanks, how are you? Or, not bad, it's a busy day.
Challenge option 2. Listen to an English TV show or movie for 5 minutes. Just listen for the connectors, and, but, so, and the filler words. Well, you know. Don't worry about understanding everything. Just listen for the sound of natural English.
It's a small step, but it makes a big difference. The goal is to sound English like a native.
We love that. Okay, we know you might have questions. Please send us your questions. You can ask us about grammar, vocabulary, or anything you find difficult in the comment below.
For example, a common question is, what is the difference between a little and a few? Or, when do I use say and tell? We can answer these in future episodes.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you for listening.
Remember, the key to improving your speaking is to practice a little every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn.
Exactly. So to review today's tips, 1. Use small words and connectors. 2. Listen to natural conversations and repeat the phrases. And 3. Try our weekly challenge.
We'll be back with another episode of English Global Voice. Until then, keep practicing and have a great week.
Bye, everyone.